Today, we're going to use Adobe Firefly to tackle one of the internet's favorite memes, the distracted boyfriend. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com. Hop into Generative Fill, and pop in an image that contains a subject you're hoping to edit. Once loaded, switch over to Remove from the left. Then start painting with the brush. The size and hardness can be adjusted from the bottom to make your selection more accurate. For this edit, I'm also going to include the woman's arm to hopefully change its position. Now that we have the man selected, hitting Remove will start the removal process. And in just a few moments, we'll have 3 results to choose from. Of course, now this woman looks like she's annoyed at absolutely nothing. So let's switch over to the Insert tool, paint in a rough area, and add something new to make this image sort of make sense. And that's how to tackle the distracted boyfriend meme using Adobe Firefly. Hope you enjoyed this fun video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.